Would you believe Dairy Queen workers actually have to go to school to learn how to put that famous twist on top of their frozen treats?
Goodness gracious. All right, maybe next time.
Welcome to DQU.
They would probably make several hundred cones before they finally get it correct.
One might think it's easy to make the perfect Dairy Queen cone, but it does take a fair amount of training.
Missing the curl?
First, you fill the crevice of the cone, followed by making 2 balls. You're dropping as you do this, and then a flick of the wrist, and you have the perfect curl.
Believe it or not, the company's coveted curl is even trademarked.
No one else can produce that curl, and we own the rights to that.
Everybody loves the treat with the curl on top.
The DQ curl is served in 18 countries. Around the world, vanilla is the #1 flavor and chocolate is the most popular dipping sauce. But the recipe hasn't changed much since 1938 when a father and a son developed the ice cream.
The McCulloughs own an ice cream factory in Green River, Illinois. One of the things that they found was that ice cream tasted best when it was right out of the freezer, before it was frozen, so they devised a machine, if you will, to dispense fresh ice cream. This is what we call the soft serve ice cream machine.
And the man behind the marketing campaign was Sherb Noble.
He had about 7 or 10 Dairy Queen stores. He came up with the idea of all-you-can-eat ice cream for 10 cents. And he started this promotion, and literally hundreds and hundreds of people would descend upon his store.
Son, whenever we want a treat, we say moo. In fact, everybody does.
That's because the greatest genuine milk treat is Dairy Queen Moo.
But not all of their flavor experiments sound yummy to everyone.
We actually played around with something recently that was a little bit of what we call it hot chocolate, but hot meaning that it had hot peppers in it. So you got the chocolate and you got a little heat at the same time.
Hot toppings aside, what is the perfect temperature to serve ice cream? According to these ice cream experts, it's 23 degrees Fahrenheit.
When ice cream is near 0, your taste buds taste very little. 23 degrees produces the best taste of ice cream.
That also happens to be the perfect temperature to create that famous twist on top.
I like it. I think I can give this one away.